welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and today I'm going to be working on this sketch challenge for Positively Papercraft. I will link Positively Papercraft below. It's a Facebook group, craft forum, where you can come and do challenges, share your cards, share and inspire others and be inspired. And one of the things we do is we have a monthly sketch challenge. There's an album that's opened and various sketches are popped in there, and you can do any of them or all of them or as many as you like, and there's a little gift for whoever contributes the most at the end of the month. One of those cards is this. This is the sketch. The sketch, if you don't know what it is a kind of a plan, a kind of blueprint. So you can see that's got the circles and that sort of flag style sentiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Abstract Impressions. And I'm going to use a Whisper White base, which is 6x4, so 12x4 folded in half. And then I'm going to use Gingham Gala as a background. I want this nice and simple. So this measures 5 7/8 by 3 7/8. I'm just going to stick that on there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my circles using a scalloped 1 3/8 inch punch and a plain 1 3/4 inch punch. So these will be just slightly bigger. Now I think from here from the sketch I need 1, 2, 3, sort of 4 larger ones and 4 smaller ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Balmy blue and I'm going to stamp out various flowers using it. And I'm just going to keep it monotone. For my sentiment, I've used this stamp set, Here Comes the Sun, which is a Hostess stamp set from the current Spring Summer catalogue, and I've used this Believe, which is larger than it looks on the pack, and I've stamped it in Balmy blue, and I made a white and a Balmy blue sort of little flag. The blue measures 1.5 inches by 3.5. Is longest point, and I just sort of found the centre point and just cut in, and the white measures 1 1/4 by 3, and I've just done the same there. Okay, so just pop those aside. This is a gorgeous stamp set. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out of Whisper White, 'cause I'm just going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to cut out the 4 of each circle. I don't know if I'm going to fit 4 of each onto mine. One of them isn't even a full circle, but we'll go with it. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we'll do the smaller scallop circle. I'll do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take that Believe stamp off, just pop that back in its box. Trying to stay more tidy and more organised these days. It's helping that I'm finally sorting out my craft room. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this stamp. Oh, you can see it's already stained. I'm going to use, yeah, I think I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to stamp off the soft image and then stamp it into each circle. Okay, I'm not even bothered if it's not fully in that circle. Can you see what I'm doing? And then I'm going to take the sharper image, just stamp that on top. without use this very abstract impressions of flowers, which is exactly what it's called, abstract impressions. Oh, I like that. And then on this smaller one, we're going to have the smaller flowers. So I'm going to do the crisper image. In fact, that's all I'm going to do, because I like that. Let me just check. I don't like it the other way. Oh, I do like it with the background on. So I'm going to pop a little stamped off background on. Oh yeah, gives it a bit of depth. Oh my, I love that. Absolutely love it. Now though, I'm rethinking I'm kind of rethinking the whole thing. I'm definitely rethinking the background. I don't think it goes with it. I think these will look much better on there. Yeah. But what I do want to do is I just want to do some sort of a abstracty pattern. Just a tone on tone pattern. Like so. And so now I can build my card up. Pop my background on. So cute. And then these, one of them isn't fully on the side, so I'll pop that there. I'm just going to do these with Tombow. So that one I'll just pop there. Pop one there. I'm just popping them randomly, I'm not going to follow the exact pattern. This one I'll just snip a little bit off the end. Pop that down there. And the smaller ones, one there. One there. I'll have one in half. And just slip a bit more off as well, so that it fits on the corner there. And then there was one that was in half coming down. I'll just chop that off and pop that on there. And then what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to stick this on, little flag. And then I'm going to use dimensionals just to finish it off. And I just want to add something else before I stick this on. Something that's not on the pattern, but I want to put on anyway. So have that sort of looped around, loosely just hanging out the bottom. And there we go. There's my take on the sketch. I'm not too sure that I like it a lot, but there it is anyway. Okay, thanks for joining me for that one. Well, I love these. It's given me an idea for something else. I absolutely love those little, good for little inches, out of circular inches. This one is beautiful. I don't know, it's quite a nice card. It's another one of those that when you stand it up it looks really nice. You know, I said before, some cards, they don't look nice until you stand them up. This is one of those. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.